Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to use the Panopto LTI. The LTI link can be used to access the user dashboard for Panopto. This dashboard will allow you to access more advanced features of Panopto. If you choose to, you can also direct students to watch Panopto videos from the LTI link rather than inserting them into modules or activities. Or you can hide the LTI module from students and just use it for yourself. Let's start by creating a new module. Click on Add a Module in the lower left, then type in Panopto and press Enter. From there, click on Add Existing Activities, choose External Learning Tools, then find and click on Panopto Video Recordings. If you are having trouble finding Panopto video recordings, you can use the search bar in the upper right corner. To access the Panopto dashboard, click on the Panopto Video Recordings link that appears. You will see a list of videos in the course. If you need to upload or record videos, click on the Create button towards the top. Note that students will only be able to see the video title and view the video. They will not be able to use the advanced features. That is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.